name is Jennifer. I work at the Pleasant Ridge branch of the Public Library. Today I'm going to show you how you can make an edible cicada out of tasty ingredients that you might have at home. Don't worry, we're not making this out of real cicadas, but just out of everyday ingredients. Now I want you to use your imaginations if you're making these at home. You do not have to use the same things that I'm using today. So look around your kitchen and see what you have and what shapes might work to make a cicada. For example, you could use something like dried mango or fruit leather or fruit roll-ups to make the body. Anything that can be kind of an oval shape or you can turn into an oval shape. Today we're going to use pretzel sticks to make cicada legs and cicada antenna. But again, anything with a stick shape will work. We're going to use dried cranberries for the eyes and apple slices for the wings. But other things you could use raisins for the eyes, or maybe you could use dried apples or potato chips for the wings, but be creative. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to use my ingredients to make a really simple and tasty cicada snack. So to assemble our edible cicada, today I'm using mango leather, and I'm just going to put it right in the middle of the plate. And then to make the legs, we have pretzel sticks. Since our pretzel sticks are long, I'm going to snap them in half and arrange them around the cicada, roughly where the legs would be. We're going to make 6 legs. Like all insects, cicadas have 6 legs or 3 pairs of legs. And then they also have 2 antennae at the front of their head. So we're going to use pretzels for that too. So you're going to just put those at the front of their head, roughly where a cicada's head would be. Now we need eyes, and that's where our cranberries come in. So we're just going to set the cranberries right at the top where the cicada's eyes are. And then finally we need wings, and that's what my apple slices are for. So we'll just set the apple wings on either side of the cicada. Just like that. If you need to move the legs around, no problem. You can make your cicada however you like. And there's our cicada. If you would like to learn more about cicadas or try out some more fun cicada activities, check out the library's YouTube channel, our website, and our event calendar. Bye!
Get free arts and crafts videos with your library card.